The Unknown Cafe, Bar and Restaurant. Dito kami ngayon maglalunch. Dito sa Cavite, Silang Cavite. Yan ang napili namin lugar, yung labas. Nice ambience. Ito yung kanilang complimentary. Yan yung aking mocktail, Sex on the Beach. Truffle sisig. Crab ragoon. Beef brisket. Nasi goreng rice. Honey mustard salad.
Thank you.
Ayan, kain na. Kanina pa ako kumakain. Let's eat. Ito, masarap to. Itong beef brisket. Ito, masarap. Mukhang masarap. Say hi.
Hi.
Dad, hello. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Sarap ba pagkain? Cafe Americano dito sa The Unknown. Egg pie. Blueberry cheesecake. Okay, tapos na kami kumain dito sa Unknown Cafe, Bar and Restaurant. Dito yan sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, Silang Cavite. Yung food nila, it's okay, masarap. Okay, bye for now. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.